पूर्वोत्तर राज्य में भारी बारिश जारी है। मणिपुर और असम में बाढ़ की स्थिति पर गंभीर बनी हुई है। दोनों राज्यों में दर्जनों लोगों की जान चली गई है और हजारों लोगों को राहत शिविरों में ले जाया गया है, क्योंकि बाढ़ से घरों को नुकसान पहुंचा है। अधिकारियों ने पुष्टि की है कि दोनों राज्यों में बाढ़ से संबंधित घटनाओं में मरने वालों की कुल संख्या बुधवार को 40 से ज्यादा हो गई थी।
Very unfortunate. This is the second time. After hailstorm, one flood has taken place, and this is the third time, I think, including the hailstorm. Very unfortunate, but I'm happy that all the machineries are engaging, and particularly from the central government also. Two NDRF teams has already sent with equipments, and here the state police force and the Assam Rifles, Fire Brigade and the paramilitary forces and the MR, IRB, all are getting involved, and the BLS volunteer also working 24/7, and all possible help government is going to provide. And then now rescue operation from the internal villages are taking place. I think we have to be a little bit careful if rain is there. So another 1 day, 1 or 2 days more, we have to be careful.
Okay. Since yesterday, how many casualties were?
Very unfortunate, 2 were met accident at Shanapati area. One is the doctor. He was coming back from the duty to his home place, but unfortunately he met the landslide and he died on the spot. And one boy was drowned. That is only 2 till now.
I am Sundarvala. I am the SDPO of Sinjamai.
Since when you have started your rescue operation in this particular area? And when you got the information, when did you get the information of this water overflowing inside this?
Yeah, the breaching of water, we have got information since yesterday night, and we have done from our parts. For example, we have asked people to move out because the water has already been breached, and once the news has spread, and many people have started to move out, but today also it is still continuing.
Okay. So how many have been rescued from them?
Honestly, I don't have the exact number right now, but many have been rescued, maybe around 200, 300, something like that.
Apart from that, it is also observed that even your office and your police station has been inundated with water.
Yes, that is true. Our office, that is which is in Chipkakwa police station, it is already been inundated, and we have been working on that since yesterday night, and our boys, our staffs, all are working very hard to move out the things and all.
In today's rescue operation, who are the teams who has been assisting and supporting you?
The teams are like includes SDRF, fire brigades, and then locals, the Manipur police. All those things, like everybody, even this Assam Rifles.
Bureau Report Team Manas News.